My name's Ken Osborn. I'm a lab captain for our vSAN 6.7 Getting Started Hands-On Lab. And just like VMware has been iterating new features and functionality for new versions of vSAN, we've added a ton of new content to this year's vSAN Hands-On Lab. New users will go through building their first vSAN cluster, and we'll walk you through everything you need to know to be successful, understanding capacity, health, and performance. For users that are returning, we have a lot of extra content, such as using the new VR Ops for vCenter dashboards, taking advantage of KMS encryption, also leveraging day 2 activities like adding additional capacity and storage. So plenty of activity for everyone to come and learn more about vSAN. Thank you for spending time learning about VMware vSAN hyperconverged infrastructure, and we hope you enjoy the lab.